When you think of ancient temples, you probably imagine huge blocks of stone. But what if I told you that Solomon's temple was more than just wood and stone? What if it was God's very own equation made visible? You see, the Bible gives us the exact dimensions of the temple, 60 by 20 cubits. And when we apply the golden ratio to those numbers, which is found all throughout nature, music, and even the human body, we get some pretty interesting results. The most astounding of which is this: every single chamber of Solomon's temple, including the Holy of Holies, align with these cosmic numbers. This is not just a coincidence. This is evidence that the temple was not just a building, but a physical manifestation of divine wisdom. Think about it. The most sacred place in the temple, the Holy of Holies, where God's presence was said to dwell, aligns with the number 3, 1, 8. This number sequence is found all throughout nature, from the number of petals on a flower to the spirals in a galaxy. It's the very essence of creation, the language of the universe. And God, being the architect of the universe, used this language to create the blueprint for Solomon's temple. But the math doesn't stop there. Each chamber in the temple, the porch, the atrium, the holy place, and the Holy of Holies, they all have their own unique dimensions, yet they all work together harmoniously. It's like a perfectly tuned instrument. And just as a musician uses an instrument to create harmony, so too did God use numbers to create harmony in the temple. Harmony with the universe, harmony with the natural world, and harmony with the human soul. You see, the ancients understood this. They knew that the universe was governed by mathematical laws, and they incorporated these laws into their architecture. The Egyptians aligned their pyramids with the cardinal directions, and the builders of Stonehenge used the golden ratio to create the perfect circle. In doing so, they created structures that were not just beautiful, but also harmonious with the universe. They understood that by following these laws, they could create buildings that were more than just structures made of wood and stone. They could create places of worship that were extensions of the divine order, places where the veil between heaven and earth was at its thinnest. But unfortunately, over time, these sacred dimensions have been lost. The Bible tells us that the temple was destroyed, burned to the ground. But before that, before the flames consumed everything, someone copied down the dimensions, the exact dimensions of Solomon's temple, and recorded them in the Bible, so that even today, we can know the truth. We can know that the universe is a symphony of numbers and that God's wisdom is revealed through them. We can see the fingerprints of the divine in the natural world all around us. And we can find harmony in our own lives by following the divine blueprint. Because the truth is, the universe is not a random,